Hi, in our last video I showed you how you can draw the walls, alright? Then in this video I'm going to show you how you can draw the windows, the doors, and also how you can put the window sills on the windows, alright? Then also lastly I'll show you how you can put the hatch inside the walls, alright? And also the hatch to show that these extreme squares at the corner over here and also over here that they are columns, alright? So just stick around with me until the end of this video as I show you exactly how to do it. As you can see, our current layer is walls, alright? So I'll click at this arrow over here. Next I'll look for the layer for doors, which is over here. So I'll make it current. Then next I'll click at the rectangle command, alright? Then I'll draw a rectangle of dimensions 50 by 150. Alright, so here it is. So I'll try to zoom out, select the rectangle, click at the mirror command, then click at that point, stretch out your cursor until this point. Alright, then at the command bar, click no, because if you click yes, AutoCAD will delete off this original copy. Alright, let me show it to you over here. So as you can see that the original copy has been deleted. Alright, but if you need to maintain the two copies, you simply select it, click at the mirror command, alright, then click at this point, stretch out your cursor until this point, then click no, alright, at the command bar. So you can see you still have the two copies. So I'll select the first one, click at the move command, then click at this point, then stretch out your cursor at a distance of 900 millimeters, alright. I'll draw a line from this point up to this point, press escape, then still using the rectangle command, I'll draw a rectangle of dimensions 50 by 900. Alright, you can check out the dimensions of this rectangle. Yeah, it's 900 by 50. Alright, so I'll delete off those dimensions, select the rectangle, then click at the move command, then move that rectangle to this other corner over here. Alright, then next click at the circle command, then at that point stretch out your cursor until this other point. Alright, then select that line and also select that rectangle, then click at the trim command, then trim off that other part of the circle. Alright, then this is the right time for us to delete off this line because we no longer need it at the moment. So I'll select it, then I'll press the delete key at the keyboard. Alright, so this is the door that we have. Alright, so I'll select it, click at the mirror command, then I'll mirror it this other side. Alright, then I'll hit no because I still need the two copies. Still I'll select them, still I'll use the mirror command, then I'll have a copy of these doors down here. Alright, then I'll hit no. Okay, so according to the reference drawing, when I try to zoom in, we have a door over here and it is swinging next to this wall. Alright, so I'll select this door, then next I'll click at the copy command, click at that point, then transfer a copy of that door over here. Alright, press escape, I'll select that bottom part of the drawing, click at the trim command, then I trim off those parts of the wall that I don't need. I just forgotten to trim them off in part 1 of this video. Alright, so when you're done, you press escape, then select the bottom rectangles, let's call them the door frames, then this one is the door shutter. Alright, then I'll click at the move command. Alright, click at the one of the corners of the door frames, then move that door at a distance of 150 millimeters. Right, Still select the door frames, click at the trim command, then trim off those lines. Alright. And also right here we have two elements that are overlapping each other. Alright. So we have the polyline and the line. Alright. So there is a command called selection cycling. Right. If you don't have it here at the status bar, you simply click at this button over here with three lines. Alright, it's called customization. Alright, you click at it, then from the options that pops up, you look for selection cycling. It is right here. Alright, so for me, I already have it at the status bar. Alright, that's why it's ticked over here. So this is where you can access it from. Alright, so it helps you to deal with two elements that are overlapping each other. Alright, so if you want to edit any object that is overlapping with another object, I think it's what you can use best. Alright, so I'll click over there, then this dialog box will pop up, then I'll select line because it's what I want to trim. Alright, so when you select line, you see that the line was trimmed off. Alright, then I'll do the same thing over here, then I'll do the same thing this other side. Alright, then still I'll use the line command under the layer for walls. Then I'll join this point to this point using the line command. Then I'll hit enter to reactivate the line command, and I'll do the same thing over here. Alright, you can see now we have this door over here. So next we are going to put an exit door over here. Alright, so this is the door I'm talking about. Alright, so next I'll get back to AutoCAD, then I'll use this door, get a copy of it. I'll click at the copy command, then click at this corner over here, then transfer a copy of it to this other end. Alright, click at that point, then select the door frame, also the door shutter, click at the move command, click at that point, then move it at a distance of 150 millimeters. Alright, then also select the door frame again, click at the trim command, then trim off those lines. Alright, then also click over there, then trim off the line, then also click over there, from the options trim off line. Alright, then do the same thing this other side. Alright, when you're done, simply press escape to end the trim command, then click at the line command, then click at that point, stretch out your cursor until this point, press escape, press enter to reactivate the line command, click at that point, stretch out your cursor until that point, press escape. Then next we have a door over here, then also a door over here, then another door over here, then another door over here. Alright, so according to our reference drawing, this door connecting to bedroom 1, it's swinging towards this wall, then this other door connecting to bedroom 2, it's swinging towards this wall. Alright, so I'll get back to AutoCAD, so I'll select this door, then click at the copy command, then click at that point, transfer a copy of the door over here, press escape, then select the door frame, then also select the door panel, then click at the move command, then next click at that point, move that door at a distance of 100 millimeters, select the door frame, click at the trim command, then trim off those lines, click over there, then select line, click over there, then select line, then also do the same thing this other side. Then click at the line command, then click at that point, stretch out your cursor until this point, press escape, press enter to reactivate the line command, click at that point, then stretch out your cursor until this point, press escape. Alright, then let's also put this door. Right, so I'll use this one, I'll select it, then click at the copy command, then click at that point, transfer a copy of that door over here. Alright, press escape, then select the door frame, then also select the door panel, click at the move command, then also move it at a distance of 100. Alright, then select the door frame, click at the trim command, trim off that line and this line, then click over there, then select line, then do the same thing here. Alright, click at the line command. At this point, stretch out your cursor until this point. Alright, then do the same thing over here. Okay, so you can see that we have these two doors. Alright, one swinging towards this wall and another one swinging towards this same wall. Alright, then next we are going to put a door over here, then also over here. Alright, according to the reference drawing that we have. Alright, but if you notice, the width of this door is kind of smaller than this one. Alright, so you have to always take note of it. So when I zoom out, you see that right here it is 1000, but here it is 850 millimeters. Alright, so I'll have to create another door over here. So still I'll select the layer for doors. Alright, then I'll use the rectangle command, then I'll draw a rectangle of dimensions 50 by 150. Alright, then select it, click at the mirror command, then mirror it to this other side, hit no at the command bar, select the first rectangle, then click at the move command, then click at that point, then move that rectangle at a distance of 750. Alright, then next click at the line command, click at that point, then stretch out your cursor until this point. Alright, press escape, click at the rectangle command, right, then draw a rectangle of dimensions 50 by 750. Right, select the rectangle, click at the move command, click at that point, move the rectangle up to this point. Alright, then click at this arrow just below the circle command, then select this option, right, center radius, click at that point, then stretch out your cursor until this point, then select this line and also the door panel, click at the trim command, then trim off this other part of the circle. Right, press escape to end the trim command, then select the line and delete it. So select the whole door, then click at the mirror command, then you will have to mirror a copy of this door this other side. Hit no at the command bar. Alright, then select the two doors, click at the mirror command, then also mirror a copy of these two doors this other side down. Right, then hit no. Right, then according to our reference drawing, this door over here is swinging towards this wall. Alright, so if you open it from here, it will swing towards this wall. Alright, we shall select this door, click at the copy command, click at that point, then transfer a copy of it to this point over here. Right, so I'll select the door frame, also the door shutter, click at the move command, then click at that point, move your door at a distance of 150. Still select the door frame, click at the trim command, click at that line, trim it off. Also do the same thing over here. Click at the overlap, select line, trim it off, and do the same thing down here. So when you're done, click at the line command, then select the layer for walls, then click at this point, stretch out your cursor until this point. Press escape, press enter to reactivate the line command, then click at that point, stretch out your cursor until this point. Alright, press escape. Then next, according to our reference drawing, this other door over here, it is swinging towards this wall. Alright, so this is what we are going to do. Get back to AutoCAD, then I'll select this door over here, then click at the copy command, click at this point, then move it up, press escape, select the door, then click at the rotate command, click at this point over here, then rotate the door at an angle of -90 degrees. Alright, the reason as to why I've rotated it at a -degree angle is that if maybe you haven't rotated it and you select it, click at the rotate command, then at that point, if you want to rotate it in this direction, then you put in 90. AutoCAD will rotate it in this direction. Alright, but we don't need it to be in this direction. We want it to be in direction. Alright, I'll undo that command, select, click at the rotate command, click at that point, then I'll rotate it at a -degree angle, which is -90. Alright, so this is what we have. I'll select it, then click at the move command, then click at this point, then move it up to this point over here. Select the door frame, even the door shutter, click at the move command. At that point, move that door at a distance of 150. Alright, then select the door frame, click at the trim command, click at that point, then trim off that line and also that line. Click at the overlap, then select line, then do the same thing over here. So when you're done, press escape, click at the line command. I'm maintaining the layer for walls current. Click at that point, stretch out your cursor until this point. Press escape, press enter at the keyboard. Click at that point, stretch out your cursor until this point. Alright, so you can see that we have managed to put in all the doors that we have in this ground floor plan according to the reference drawing. Alright, so next we are going to handle the windows. Alright, this is it for the doors, and I'm sure that if you've really watched until the end, you have gotten to know how you can draw the doors and put them right on the ground floor plan. Alright, so in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can draw the windows and place them right on the ground floor plan. Alright, so if you've liked the video, please you can give it a like. Then also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also share this kind of content to friends and relatives that you feel like they're in need of this kind of content. Thanks for watching. We meet in the next part of the video.